Champion Price Club 5K breakfast this morning. We have here curry chicken with potato, dal, kuchila, coffee to wash it down, dal puri, and an apple on the side. Talk now. Let's see how this goes. Dal puri, dal, kuchila, curry chicken with aloo. Very delicious. Good mix, good mix. Coffee to wash it down. Let's have a taste of this apple. Juicy and sweet. Love it. Very tasty. More coffee. Going on good, going on good. Good food, good food. And check it out. I got my medal from the 5K. Price Club 5K.